Hi everybody, welcome back to the Teal Pumpkin. I'm so glad you're here. On today's video, I'm going to be taking down my Christmas decorations. It's always such a sad time for me when I have to take down all the cozy decorations. So what I have done in the past is I have left up a couple things here and there to kind of do like a winter theme in my home, because so much stuff in your house and then taking it all away, it just makes me feel sad. So I'm going to be taking down most of the items and just adding in some greenery here and there. Maybe some winter touches where I can find different things around my house to decorate with. So if that sounds like something you're interested, come along. Okay guys, I am going to start here in my foyer. I'm taking down these two pictures that were Christmas inspired, and I'm going to just be replacing them with some pictures that I had printed from Etsy. And if you guys have made it this far, I want to thank you so much. It really does help my channel out when you guys watch my videos. And I want to say I'm so excited that I'm almost to my 1 year mark. I started in March of 2023, and I'm so glad that I took this YouTube journey. My videos have been kind of sporadic through the Christmas holiday, but I'm going to get back to posting my videos on Saturday at 8 a.m. If you are enjoying this, I would appreciate a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Now, unfortunately, I have taken down most of my kitchen items. I did this actually on Christmas night. I just could not stand to be looking at all of the decor. It just felt like it was very overwhelming. So I took down all of my Santa themed stuff first. And then these are the remaining items that I left. Okay friends, that is going to do it for my video today. I hope you enjoyed going around and getting some things done around my house. We took down some of the Christmas decor. We all set, thanks Finn, I just did the pillows. Don't you guys hate that? Ay, ay, ay. You're a knucklehead. We went around and we took down the decor. We cleaned a little bit and I still have more to do. I've got my Christmas tree behind me. I have not done anything with that. And I have all of my haul upstairs to do. And I also have my family tree upstairs to do. And I have all of the outside to do. So this is just a little get things done. Sorry I haven't been on YouTube for a while. I have really missed you guys. And I want to wish you all a very, very safe and fantastic New Year's Eve. I hope you guys stay safe and Happy New Year. I'm so excited for this new year. 2024 is gonna be it for us, all of us. So thank you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.